Maejo University Shinbone is located at Lamay District, Shinbone, in the area of 800 acres, about 4 kilometers along the beach of Thai Gulf. The university philosophy is to build up its graduate, building with wisdom, patience, morality, and ethics, in order to make a contribution to Thailand, an agricultural-based country. Maejo University Shinbone was established in 1979 and started teaching in year 2001. There are totally 5 curriculums: Bachelor of Arts in Tourism Development, Bachelor of Arts in Political Science, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Bachelor of Science in Fishery, Aquaculture, and Bachelor of Science in Plant Production Technology. Bunra Supha Udomrek is the main building of a campus. It is where administration office located at, and also a building of lecture rooms. Maejo University Shinbone has various kinds of learning beds, being education sources of research and development for students and communities as following. Young Palm Oil Learning Base. Maejo University Shinbone has cooperated with R&D company in agricultural internship project, using high technology and modern equipments to select high-quality palm oil species, to grow young palm oil and also a high-standard watering system. The purpose of these learning bases are to support students' learning process, to allow them to experience a real situation and to be an agricultural learning base for local farmers. Vanamai White Trim Learning Base. This is a cooperated project of Maejo University Shinbone and CP Company in the area of 40 acres. The cooperation is resulted from a vision of Maejo University Shinbone Board Directors and CP Company with the purpose of providing the area to be a place for a learning and research for fishery major students and instructors. Plant Tissue Culture Learning Base. This learning base emphasizes on distinguished palm oil tissue culture and studying the appropriate tissue culture for a growing, including other economic plants such as anthuriums and orchids. Anthurium Learning Base. Within about 1 acre of area planted with 18,200 anthurium. There are more than 30 species of flowers such as tropical, acropolis, angel, and so on. This learning base is able to produce a high-quality anthuriums and export to Japan. Plant Genetic Preservation Learning Base. Maejo University Shinbone is located in a rich biodiversity area. The university has arranged 12 acres of its land to be a plant genetic preservation area, where there is a nature trail along with interpretation science for learning in nature and a research as well. Biodiesel Learning Base. CMU2 machine can produce 150 liters biodiesel per ton from crude palm oil. However, those crude palm oils need to go under some process in order to make it qualify as a raw material. Aquarium and Marine Museum. A successful composition of Brooder whale skeleton was an inspiration of this museum establishment in 25 June 2001. Since then, this museum started to be a place for various kinds of dead aquatic animals collection. Local Ancient Sailboat Learning Base. This sailboat was used widespreadly in Lamay and surrounded areas. Even now, some people are still using it. As an education and knowledge organization, Maejo University Chumphon agreed with the community to establish La Mer Ancient Sailboat Conservation Group in order to preserve and restore local wisdom. Sailboat competition is held annually since year 2000 till now. Scuba Diving Learning Base. Scuba diving was introduced here by Ajahn Bulurad Supaudamlerk, an ex-director of Maejo University Chumphon. Now this base is prompted in modern diving equipments, both for skin diving and scuba diving. High-technology air compressor, well-lauded instructors and personnel with certificates from a professional association of diving, or so-called PADI. They also obtain certificates of maintenance training. This learning base also provides a training for those who are interested in. Radio Maejo Chumphon Learning Base. Maejo University Chumphon Radio for an Education started the first broadcasting in October 2005 under the administration of Associate Professor Dr. Thep Phongpanit, who realized the importance of an education through radio broadcasting. There is a radio station on each campus of Maejo University. Radio 95.5 MHz at Maejo University Chiang Mai. Radio 94 MHz at Maejo University Phrae, and Radio 90 MHz at Maejo University Chumphon, which are broadcasted daily with FM stereo multiplex system from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. From the mountains to the sea of Maejo, we fought with many obstacles. What we all have faced in the past make us brave and dare to fight for our beloved homeland. Maejo University Chumphon must go on without any of hesitations. We strive for our descendant bright future to the glorious land of our dreams.